subscribe and click the bell icon for all the television updates.
Show once and then you think that you are some Tom Dick Harry. Honestly speaking, सोशल मीडिया और फॉर दैट मैटर इंटरनेट पे बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, लोग चीजें खरीदते हैं, बेचते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, बहुत सारे और जॉब्स हैं अदर देन ट्रोलिंग पीपल. My followers, my lovers, my admirers, they get inspired, right? Yeah. And then they perhaps wear same type of clothes, same type of hairstyle.
Absolutely.
That means you guys
you
copy
have to understand
me.
one thing.
Fans, I inspire them, and that is why they follow what I wear. They want to wear the same type of clothes. They want to do the same type of hairdo.
Yeah, they want to do something else. They want to wear the same earrings.
I think we need to get out of this shallow world, and we need to get a life. But then again, it depends now. When people don't have anything to do, they are jobless. What to do, baby?
No, I'm giving them alternatives as well.
Alternatives, yeah. Okay, so we are live. Praveen joined. Dipali joined. Okay, guys, so we are live right now, and we were just chatting, and oh god, we have been laughing so much since the time I've come back from shoot. You see, I've not even removed my makeup, and हम बहुत हंसे हैं, and Ro wants to say something. Ro, yeah, tell me, what is this? What is this?
Are you live from a verified handle?
What do you mean by that?
Because I only talk from a verified handle.
Matlab? I didn't get you. What are you trying to say?
You have to be verified, na, yaar. All these people, if they can talk shit with verified handles, so you should also talk sense with verified handles. No?
Who's talking shit?
Who's who?
Like... Okay, so खुल के बोलो, it's okay.
मेकअप का ट्यूटोरियल बनाना है मुझे, रुको.
अरे यार, stop ना baby.
हाँ, so बोलो.
So a lot of people have been talking about a lot of things today, which I kind of went through. I didn't have time whole day because I was shooting, and I was very, very occupied. So when I came home and I saw some tweets and some articles, and there is some stupid handle, cum troller, which I would not like to name, and so the troller trolls people for various things, and mostly about...
So in the history of trolls, another troll has apparently appeared.
Mm-hmm.
And
what would you like to say about that troller? A verified troller. And by the way, a lot of verified trollers, I don't know, they just appear in one TV show, and they get this verification, and this blue tick verification, which they don't understand is a privilege, and
it is
then
a privilege.
And then with a privilege, it's a responsibility, and rather behaving as a responsible celebrity, a responsible public figure, they behave as a troller. They like comments, they comment, and they delete comments because they're scared.
You can't change your inherent nature. See, you have to understand. These people were probably working before the blue tick. Now they are not, apparently, or so would anybody think.
Apparently, baby, because
see, it takes a lot of time. You have to also consider how much time and energy these people actually devote to such kind of things. It is not even surprising to us anymore, because we don't really have so much time to be surprised on these people, so we just make fun of it and enjoy it.
Exactly, we just make fun of it, and we just wanted to make you people laugh, and that is why we came live and thought to share our preview, what we think about it, because it's It's sad. It's very sad that you get the privilege of this blue tick verification and you kind of misuse it. You don't behave as a responsible public figure or a responsible. Well, you got to be a public figure first of all. But yeah, people just don't realize it. वही है ना, you just appear in a television show once and then you think that you are some Tom, Dick, Harry. But unfortunately,
No, but they exactly think they are Tom, Dick, Harry. Yeah, so
and secondly, it's really sad. I mean, go
See, the
go get
point
a
is-
life.
see, the point
you
is-
guys are so jobless that you keep stalking me everywhere.
ये नया वाला क्या था वैसे? What was this new thing?
New thing of
You know this thing?
like commenting and then deleting the comment, getting scared.
Oh,
Yeah, one is that I got to know about it, which is well expected from those jobless idiots. Forget about that. But other than
but-
that,
then just make a fake account like you used to do before. Now you've got a verified account. You're commenting and deleting it like a smart person, I would say, because apparently it's not that smart. So you have to like use it if you have it. Yeah?
and secondly, I mean, how much time and energy they devote to something like
As much as they've got, which is everything.
and to a troller who's already a troller, I would call
देखो भाई भाई एक जैसे होते हैं तो अभी उधर क्या बोलोगे आप?
actually who have so much of energy, so much time, कि वो हर जगह, especially people who stalk me and stalk what I wear, what I do, where
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
going.
How can somebody have so much of time to figure out what you're wearing
Yeah.
and then figure out who else in the world, let me tell you, is wearing the same outfit? मतलब मैं इससे ज्यादा साइंस में अगर ये दिमाग लगाते ना तो एक आइंस्टाइन नहीं होता, आज शायद और होते हमारे पास, पर it's just
This is how it is.
beyond me.
And you know, he said it very rightly. It's just that, you know, we kind of want to. The reason I have come live right now is the fact that I want to tell you guys that how it works. Forget about the trollers. They are jobless, they have nothing to do. Honestly speaking, सोशल मीडिया और फॉर दैट मैटर इंटरनेट पे बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, लोग चीजें खरीदते हैं, बेचते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, बहुत सारे और जॉब्स हैं अदर देन ट्रोलिंग पीपल, बट
For which you can actually get paid.
get paid, but they don't want to do that, you know. It's kind of some sort of psyche
I
or
mean, practically the Silicon Valley is surviving on internet, so you can work out of internet. You can actually make something out of internet.
make money, do something fruitful.
And there are so many intelligent people. There are writers, producers,
Follow them.
anchors, actors, bloody who and who's not there. You can
Instead of following
comment
them,
on their things, you know, comment on things which are progressive,
Editors.
productive,
Yeah.
which adds to something, you know. When you have a blue tick, you have a say.
you have a say.
Your
have to.
say gets a recognition. That is the
Recognition.
biggest point. Otherwise, you were just a troll as before the blue tick you were probably.
Actually, it doesn't matter, no? That's why we call them blue tick trollers. Blue tick verified trollers. Because they are jobless. They don't have anything to do. All I want to say is ki it's really sad. Y'all should, you know, really.
See, for me, though, it's funny and sad at the
It
same
is
time.
funny. It is funny. That is why we were laughing it out and we thought we should share it with you. First of all, I think you should go ahead with this concept of, you know, copying or all that, whatever shit they call
yaar.
it. I would like to educate you today. And after that, it is your call the way you want to take it in life. But it is high time that I, as a public figure, it's not that I felt bad about it. I don't give a shit about what people talk about me. Trust me. But as I said that I have a blue tick verified Instagram handle, and it is my responsibility to educate my fans and my followers about the right way to go about it. So this is the reason I'm here, and we would like to throw a little light about how it works.
There are so many things you can say about such silly and this is just sad. This is just beyond comprehension. You should not even devote 1 minute of your time. But since so many of our fans have gotten affected out of it, and you know how our media works, they'll pick up anything. They're making statements. They're not making news. So you have to be the smart one. You have to be the smart one all the time, especially when you, as an anonymous person sitting anywhere in the world, has the opportunity to come out in the public and say things. And people read those things. People who have achieved stuff in their lives have this opportunity similar to you. So it is a huge privilege, whether you have a blue tick or not. But at the same time, when you have a blue tick, your account is verified, you have a privilege which is recognized. You have a say which is recognized. An anonymous person's say is not recognized. Say, let's just go beyond this. As far as this stuff of copying and all this bullseye is concerned, I'll just say one thing to start with. First of all, you go to a brand showroom and, like most brands, they have their own designers who design certain lines, जिसको हम lines बोलते हैं, ये clothing line इस designer की है, that clothing line is from that designer and all. They just don't make one copy of that particular outfit. They make multiple copies and people buy them happily. It's just about an outfit. It's about what is going to look better on you and how you want to be looked, how you want yourself to be comfortable. इतनी तवज्जो देना इस बात को, it's really rubbish. And secondly, I'll tell you, these designers, अब ये उनका, आप ज़्यादातर जो cases होंगे, as far as I think, I've not really given a lot of thought and time to it. I'm just thinking top of the hat. If you actually think, the thing which you say that our designers from the country who are working in the industry, who've been
working so hard
and इतना easy नहीं होता है. एक celebrity को एक रात में एक कपड़े मिलते हैं उसको, एक outfit मिलता है उसको, and that outfit वो दोबारा नहीं पहनता है. That is how it works, right? Everybody knows that. However, we also believe that should be changed.
Yes.
But having said that, you also have to know that कितने सारे लोग उसके पीछे मेहनत करते हैं. There is a team who works for that. And if they get an inspiration from somebody or from some community के designers जिनकी expertise है, you know what I mean? अब आप साड़ी पहने तो नहीं देखोगे आप मडोना को, जिसको कॉपी करोगे आप इधर. मडोना ने साड़ी पहनी होगी तो शायद हिंदुस्तान से किसी की साड़ी देखकर पहनी होगी, या बनारस में किसी मामूली एक साधारण इंसान ने कोई साड़ी पहनी होगी, उसकी साड़ी देखकर कॉपी की होगी. सो इट इज नॉट कॉपी की है तो जिसने कॉपी की है वो बड़ा हो गया या वो छोटा हो गया है. सिमिलरली इफ शी इज अ स्टार, इफ सम XYZ पर्सन इज अ स्टार, अगर उस हमारे देश में आपने देखा है शादियों में लोग पहनते हैं जो आपके स्टार्स ने कपड़े पहने हो, आप उसकी कॉपी बनाकर पहनते हो. So
and
what
one
happens?
more thing, baby, I wear clothes, and my fans, my followers, my lovers, my admirers, they get inspired, right?
Yeah.
And then they perhaps wear same type of clothes, same type of hairstyle.
Absolutely.
That means you guys
you have to
copy
understand
me?
one thing. You have to understand one thing. So see, if a celebrity is wearing something, उसके पीछे उसकी एक टीम है, उसने बहुत सारा एफर्ट लगाया है उसको एक्सपर्टीज के साथ बनाने में, एंड आपको वो आउटपुट मिल रहा है बना बनाया. सो इफ यू आर एबल टू कॉपी दैट एंड वेयर समथिंग सिमिलर, व्हाई नॉट? सेम गोज फॉर इंटरनेशनल सेलिब्रिटीज, जहां पे वो डिजाइनर अपनी जो एक्सपर्टीज है, जो उनका परिधान है, जो उनका जो कॉस्ट्यूम है, उनका जो लिबास है, उसमें जो उनकी एक्सपर्टीज है वो बनाते हैं. हम उनसे इंस्पायर होके हमारे डिजाइनर्स यहाँ पे वो बनाते हैं, विच इज नॉट इजी, लेट मी टेल यू. ये वो नहीं है कि आप,
and to be very honest, it's their expertise. मतलब
and it's their job.
It's their job.
It's not a celebrity's job.
No, forget about that. Whether, of course, it's not a celebrity's job. Secondly, आप किसी के काम पे आप उंगली जो मेहनत करके काम कर रहा है, even if that designer out here is inspired by a designer from XYZ, from another country, how does it matter?
It doesn't. That's the whole point. And the point is,
और आप क्या कर रहे हैं? आप एक तो कोई काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, कोई मेहनत नहीं कर रहे हैं, उल्टा ट्रोल कर रहे हैं, कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. आपके पास कितना टाइम है कि आप उस XYZ डिजाइनर को ढूंढ के लाके उसको कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. You do it with every celebrity
उस हिसाब से
possible.
तो हर सूट जो इंसान आज पहन रहा है वो किसी न किसी सूट की कॉपी है.
In fact, let me tell you,
हर पैंट जो पहन रहा है वो किसी न किसी की कॉपी, हर कुर्ता किसी न किसी की कॉपी है. You can't say such things.
Yeah,
it's
and-
not copy.
Yeah.
It's
I mean,
not.
I love Sonam Kapoor. I love Deepika Padukone, and I love the way they dress up. I love the way they style themselves. Tomorrow, if I like something, she inspires. They inspire me. And if I pick up any of their look, doesn't mean that I have copied my fans. I inspire them, and that is why they follow what I wear. They want to wear the same type of clothes. They want to do the same type of hairdo.
Yeah, they want to do something else. They want to wear the same earrings. It
I
doesn't
think we
matter.
need to get out of this shallow world, and we need to get a life. And especially for people who follow trollers, who stalk faces, big faces like me,
Or troll accounts, yeah.
who follow troll accounts and then comment from the verified handle of theirs, is very sad. It proves that how jobless you are, and unfortunate
कम
it
से
is.
कम आपको इंस्टाग्राम पे आप जो इररिस्पॉन्सिबल चीजें बेचते हो, नकली आईफोन बेचते हो, नकली स्किन प्रोडक्ट बेचते हो, कम से कम आप उधर थोड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दिखाओ रादर देन
Promoting all that shit. Yeah, I mean,
और
come on.
और
Yeah.
और आई आल्सो टेल यू, कम से कम वो खरीद रहे हो तो वो बेचो. शायद यू विल एटलीस्ट मेक समथिंग.
So this is basically about whatever I think some fake troller posted a picture where some XYZ celebrity was wearing the same outfit which I wore here, which was again inspired. The designer was inspired by that outfit of XYZ designer, and the designer made the same piece. Perhaps tried to make the same piece. What's wrong in it? Why so much? Why such a big deal? What are you reading?
Just seeing what बहुत बोल दिया, ये लोग बोर तो नहीं हो रहे.
So yeah, so we got to behave responsible, and we should not pay attention to all these things. We should just focus on our work, and we should know what we're doing in life. And
Whether
trust
you
me,
have a blue tick or not, your say
behave
matters.
responsible.
But if you have a blue tick,
behave responsibly.
you have a recognition. You have to use that privilege to the betterment of the medium, not for the worsening of the medium.
But then again, it depends now. When people don't have anything to do, they are jobless. What to do, baby?
No, I am giving them alternatives as well.
Alternatives, yeah. Freaking follow big politicians. Follow.
यार जॉर्ज आर आर मार्टिन को फॉलो करो यार, देखो क्या लिख रहा है बंदा यार.
Yeah.
कितने लोग हैं, कितने राइटर्स, कितने
Producers, कितनी चीजें
क्रिएटिव
हैं,
लोग हैं,
creative लोग
पेंटर्स
हैं.
हैं, साइंटिस्ट्स हैं. फॉलो करो यार.
Follow them. Learn something.
डोंट
Comment.
फॉलो देम, बट उधर टाइम दो.
उधर टाइम दो, कमेंट करो वहां पे. Perhaps शायद कुछ ऐसा बोल दें which is useful for the society.
Yeah. Knowledge
For the
is
betterment
only,
of the
knowledge
society.
is only the accumulation of the knowledge which you gather.
So yeah, it's foolish. So I think we should not pay heed to all this, and do not worry. It's just that I wanted people to know that
Don't waste your time.
don't waste your time on such things, especially my followers, because I know what I'm doing, and trust me, I just like to say in one line,
बैठ छोड़ा तो और कुछ हो.
आप आप कुछ भी पहने, कुछ भी, चाहे वो 100 रुपए का हो या फिर 1 लाख का हो. It's all about how you carry it. So just don't give a rat's ass, like I used to say in Big Boss. Yeah, so just don't worry. इसलिए आप लोग टेंशन ना लें. और क्या बोल रहे थे आप बेबी?
Sorry.
You just said something. क्या खाना?
मम्मी को बोला डाइट चूड़ा ला रही है.
Okay, guys. I think this is on behalf of all the celebrities on that irritating trollers handle. I'm speaking on behalf of all of them, and this is how it should be. Rather increasing that trollers followers, let's focus on good
Actually,
things.
सारा खेल ये follower बढ़ाने का ही है actually.
Yeah, why we are there? I mean, it's a simple thing. This is how it is. Anyways, ठीक है, that's it. This is why I just wanted to give you guys an insight that how it works, and do not really get bothered. In fact, one very important thing which I wanted to share with you is my last appearance in Lakme Fashion Week. So the reason why I was there is this company called R Elan. In fact, they also, I really liked the initiative they'd taken. I would like to share it again. It is an initiative by Reliance, and the company name is R Elan, and they associated themselves with Shivan and Naresh, and the reason they associated themselves is that they are into producing, maybe.
Recycled clothes.
Yes. They are recycling clothes, and how are they doing it?
They are designing new lines and presenting it to people completely
Yeah.
in an innovative way,
Yeah.
so that it's
So
not
basically it's a
something
lot
which
of
is
waste.
frowned upon. It is something which people would look up to.
Yeah.
That's the difference.
Yeah, and there is a lot of waste from the fashion industry because इतने कपड़े बनते हैं, इतने outfits बनते हैं, so it kind of affects our
बहुत सारी ऐसी
planet.
मटेरियल्स हैं कपड़ों में वी डोंट रियलाइज इन आवर डे टू डे यूज, बट वो प्लास्टिक से बनी होती है या पॉलीकार्बन से बनी होती है, विच इज नॉट इट डजंट गेट डिजॉल्व्ड इन नेचर. सो दैट इज व्हाई यू हैव टू आप अगर उसको फेंक देते हो या वो कभी बाहर सॉल्वेंट हो जाता है तो वो रह जाता है नीचे में. इट अफेक्ट्स द एनवायरनमेंट. सो दैट इज व्हाई दे हैव कम अप विद दिस पर्टिकुलर आइडिया.
Where they can recycle the fabrics, waste fabrics, and create a new line. So this is what I was there for, and Shivan and Naresh showcased all the outfits created by the recycled fabric. So I loved it. And secondly, we should not feel ashamed now, at least, when we are trying to think for the betterment of our planet. There's no harm in repeating. There's no harm in wearing the same outfit again. This way, somehow you're saving your own planet. Because जितने outfits आप पहनेंगे, हर बार नया outfit पहनेंगे, उतने ही outfits बनेंगे. फिर से waste इकट्ठा होगा. So yes, I love the initiative, and I think we all should take it forward in life.
It's a very innovative initiative also.
Yeah. And yeah, I think it's high time that we should not feel embarrassed about it and save our planet. It's a really
Everybody
nice.
should do.
Everybody should do. It's a really nice initiative. So yes, that's it. I think बहुत सारी हमने आज ज्ञान दे दिया. तो
हाँ करूँ मैं टाइम उधर ही लगाता हूँ जैसे ज्ञान आए.
हम एक्चुअली उधर ही फोकस करते हैं. तो वी वांटेड टू एजुकेट यू अबाउट इट. Rest, it's your call, your
Not that
life.
it's our prerogative, but we just wanted to
And
do
it is our responsibility because we hold the privilege of blue tick verified handle. So let's just eat our diet chivda now and relax. Chalo guys, bye.